Hi from ATFX. Asian shares continue to be mixed as Thursday morning. Shares rose in Hong Kong and Tokyo but fell in Shanghai over the rollout of vaccines and new help for the US economy. UK regulators have cleared Pfizer and BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine ahead of decisions in the US and the EU, with Britain becoming the first Western country to approve the shot. Other countries like the US would probably roll out this month as well. Vaccine breakthroughs send investors down a risky trail and bulls love it. On a different note, the Democratic-run House of Representatives passed a bill this week that could bar Chinese companies from listing shares on US exchanges, or to them it's raising money off American investors. Disappointing US job reports weighed on the tech-heavy Nasdaq and kept it at a slow pace. Noticeable stocks were obviously Pfizer, rising 3.5%, surging on emergency UK approval for COVID-19. Walt Disney stock was up by 2.8% to $153.59, up on the positive trend currently in the markets and hopes for life returning back to normal after vaccine approvals and after struggling in the wake of COVID closures, especially being in the theme park and entertainment sector. ExxonMobil stock had a bullish momentum with a jump 3.7% over increased supply cuts and increased fuel demand outlook. Risky sentiment is on the rise, with the Australian and New Zealand dollar advancing against their US counterpart. The risk-sensitive Aussie hit a more than 2-year high, and the Kiwi was also hovering near its highest since May 2018. The USD has been hovering around its 2-year-and-a-half lows and has eventually slipped today on the back of vaccine optimism spiraling global markets. Oil prices, on the other hand, rose on Thursday even after oil producers deadlocked over the extension of production cuts, and the US saw a smaller than expected draw in crude oil supply. Brent oil futures inched up 0.08% and WTI 0.4%, both remaining above the $40 mark. Gold was up, regaining its yellow metal shine despite international market optimism defying the trend. The Fed and the European Central Bank are both due to convene to their policy respective meetings for the last time in 2020 and this following week. Thank you for watching us from ATFX.